In this video, you'll learn how to fix issues with Google Pixel videos not playing on your PC. By following these steps, you will be able to troubleshoot and resolve the playback problems effectively. Begin by checking the file compatibility of the video you are attempting to play. Pixel videos are commonly saved in formats like MP4, which are generally supported by most media players on your computer. If the video does not play, consider trying a different media player to open the file. Installing a versatile player such as VLC can enhance compatibility with various formats. This step is crucial as it helps to determine if the playback issue is related to the video format. Next, ensure that your video files are transferred properly from your Pixel phone to your PC. Start by reconnecting your Pixel device using a USB cable. On your phone, select the option labeled File Transfer to enable access to your files. Once connected, proceed to copy the video files again to your computer. It is important to verify that the transfer process completes without any interruptions, as corrupted files may not play correctly. This step is essential for ensuring that the files are intact. After transferring the files, you may need to update or install codecs on your PC to improve playback capability. Begin by checking if your media player is up to date. If not, update the player to the latest version. Additionally, you can install necessary video codecs that allow your system to decode and play different video formats effectively. Once the updates are installed, restart your computer to apply the changes. After rebooting, try playing the video again to see if the issue has been resolved. Throughout this process, it is important to consider your computer's specifications and the size of the video files. Larger files may require more time to load, and if your PC has limited resources, this could impact playback performance. Ensure that your system meets the requirements for playing HD videos to avoid lagging or playback failures. That wraps up today's guide on fixing Google Pixel videos not playing on PC. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.